We've all used this one. Some of us have used this one. I'm using this one. Things do not get stuck in here. The barrel is big enough that things can tumble around and they fall right out. I'm gonna see if I can do all this celery at one time. We'll see how it goes. I think it worked pretty good. We're gonna crinkle cut some potatoes. Look at that, you can make potato chips. It comes with 5 different blades. If it wasn't dishwasher safe, I wouldn't own it. This lever right here locks it onto the countertop. Once you lock it on, it's not moving. The handle just screws on here, super simple. Easy to take the blade you don't want out and put the one you do want in. I'm gonna try cucumber. We're gonna make Philly cheesesteaks later, so we're gonna slice up all the stuff that we need for that. Gonna julienne some of these carrots. You could also use this for hash browns. The thing that frustrated me about my old grater is cheese would get clogged up in here, and that does not happen with this grater. It doesn't get clogged up in there. It's on sale right now.